Let us evaluate this prefix expression, right? We will scan from right to left, and we will scan till we encounter an operator here, right? 9 4 5. Once we encounter for 5 and star, once we encounter star here, we will stop here. Operand 1 would be 5, and operand 2 would be 4 here, and then we put star here, nothing but 20, right? So 5 would be operand 1 and 4 would be operand 2. So I'll write it again, minus plus star 2 3, right? So this expression has been evaluated, therefore I'll say 20 and 9, right? Again we will scan from right to left. So 9 20 3 2 star, we will stop here. So now we'll stop here, we'll stop at this place. Now 2 would be our operand 1 and 3 would be our operand 2, and I will place star here. 3 into 2 6 here, okay? I'll place 6 29, right? Again I will scan from right to left, right? So 9 20 6 plus, I will stop here. Now 6 would be my operand 1 and 20 would be my operand 2, and I will place plus here, that's nothing but 26. So here I'll say here, so this is evaluated, right? This is evaluated. So I'll say here minus 26 9, right? Now I will again scan from right to left. 9 26 minus, I will stop here. 26 would be operand 1, 9 would be operand 2, I will place minus here, I will place minus here. So that is nothing but 17. 17 is my answer. 17 is my answer, correct? So now let us do it using the stack method, okay? In the university exam, please, if they ask you evaluation of a prefix expression, I would advise you to do it using the stack method. It would fetch you more marks, right? So I'll just draw an empty stack first, which has actually nothing in it, right? I will push each and every operand, not operator, operand till we encounter an operator. Therefore I'll push 9 first, I will push 4, and I will push 5, and I encountered an operator called star. I will stop here, and then 5. What is operand 1? Operand 1 would be 5, and operand 2 would be again 4. So 5 into 4. So what is the operator here? Star. Therefore we stopped at star, right? Therefore 5 into 4 is 20. So I will pop out 5, I will pop out 4, right? So once I pop out 5 and 4, my stack will contain only 9. I evaluate 5 into 4, that is 20, and I will push 20 into the stack. Yeah, I'll push 20 into the stack now, right? And then this is completely done. Then comes operand 3, I'll push it here. Then comes operand 2, and then comes star. I'll stop. Once I have a operator, I will stop, right? So I will stop, and 2 becomes my 2 is the top of the stack, right? 2 becomes my operand 1, and 3 becomes my operand 2, and I have the operator star, right? 6. So I will pop out 2, I'll pop out 3. Therefore my stack now will contain 9 and 20. See, after you pop out, you do this calculation, not first, right? After you pop out, you calculate. After popping out, you calculate, and then the evaluated sub expression or evaluated value will be pushed into the stack. So after I pop 2 and 3, I say 2 into 3 6, and then 6 I push it into the stack here. I hope I am clear, right? So after you pop the elements, then you evaluate and then push the result into the top of the stack, right? Into the top of the stack, right? So we have finished till here, multiplication. Then comes plus, right? So here then comes plus. So what is the top of the stack? 6. 6 will be operand 1, right? Plus what is the next element, next operand? 20. So I pop 6 out first, and then I pop 20 out. So the stack will contain now only 9, and then this would be 26. So I pop 6, I pop 20, I calculate 6, I calculate 6 plus 20 here, and then I push 26 back into the stack here, right? 26 back into the stack here. So basically here I push 26 back into the stack. The only expression, or the only operator left is a minus here. Therefore 26 would be operand 1, 9 would be operand 2, and then minus, right? So here I pop out 26, 9. Right now there is nothing in the stack is empty, but after I pop out 26 and minus, I say 26 minus 9 is 17. I push 17 into the stack. This is my answer. The only confusion is that first we need to pop out. See here, let's take the example. We popped out 26, we popped out 9, then stack becomes empty. Then we calculate 26 minus 9, 17, and then we push 17 into the stack. So this answer is equal to this answer, which means that our expression, our evaluation is correct, right? Thank you for watching.